This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken hot dogs from scratch. First, you'll need to select high-quality chicken, preferably boneless, skinless thighs or breasts. Ensure all your spices, such as paprika, garlic powder, and a touch of cayenne, are ready. We'll then prepare the chicken by grinding it to a fine consistency, which is crucial for that classic hot dog snap. Let's get started on this fun culinary adventure. After selecting your chicken, the next step is grinding. Use a meat grinder with a fine die to get that smooth, uniform texture essential for hot dogs. Once ground, transfer the chicken to a large bowl. Now, it's time to season. Add your chosen spices, along with a precise amount of salt and curing salt. Don't forget to mix in a small amount of ice water. This helps with emulsification and keeps the mixture cool. With your seasoned chicken mixture ready, it's time to stuff the casings. You can use natural sheep or hog casings, or collagen casings for convenience. Carefully load the mixture into your sausage stuffer, ensuring no air pockets form. Twist or tie the casings to create individual hot dog links, typically around 4 to 6 inches long. Finally, poach them gently in water at 160 degrees Fahrenheit until they are fully cooked through. Once poached, immediately transfer your hot dogs to an ice bath. This rapid cooling stops the cooking process and helps them retain their shape and juiciness. After they've cooled completely, pat them dry and store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They'll stay fresh for about 5 days, ready for grilling or pan frying. For more great tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.